More than 16 years after the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, Tahavvur Rana, one of key conspirators, was finally extradited to India from the US to face trial. An aircraft carrying Rana landed shortly after 6 p.m. on Thursday at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport under heavy security. An associate of Lashkar-e-Taiba scout David Coleman, Headley Rana, was formally arrested by the National Investigation Agency soon after completion of legal formalities at the airport. His medical examination too was done at the airport. Around 10 p.m., he was taken to the Patiala House Courts where he was produced before Additional Sessions Judge Chandrajit Singh. The NIA sought his custody for 20 days and the Delhi court has sent him to 18 days NIA custody.
We've been appointed by DLSA because जो accused थे उनके कोई अपने private counsel नहीं थे. So under that authority, we were representing him as remand advocates today. NIA sought 20 days remand. Police custody, and the court was pleased to give 18 days police custody for the investigations. All the medicals will be done on a regular basis, and medical checkup will be done when he is taken into custody and before he is brought to court on the next day.
The Pakistani-Canadian businessman who once served in Pakistan Army Medical Corps, Rana is accused of providing crucial logistical support to the terrorists. He was arrested in Chicago in October 2009, 11 months after the Mumbai attacks. In a statement, the NIA said it successfully secured the extradition of Tahavvur Hussain Rana, the mastermind of deadly 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, after years of sustained and concerted efforts to bring the key conspirator behind the 2008 mayhem to justice. On Wednesday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah had called the extradition of Rana a big success of the Modi government. While speaking at a summit, he had said, Rana's extradition is a big success of Prime Minister Modi's diplomacy. The Modi government's effort is to bring to justice those who attack India's honor, land and people. He will be brought here to face trial and punishment. It is a big success of the Modi government. Meanwhile, here are some more political reactions.
कांग्रेस सरकार के समय हम जिस होटल में खड़े हैं, यहीं पर आतंकवादियों ने हमला किया था. ये होटल पे लोगों की जान गई थी, लेकिन कांग्रेस की सरकार ने कुछ किया नहीं आरोपियों के ऊपर सख्त सजा दिलाने के लिए, बल्कि जो पकड़ा गया था कसम उसको भी बिरयानी खिलाते थे. ये मोदी जी का दृढ़ संकल्प था कि जिन लोगों ने हमारे देश पर आंख उठाई उनको सख्त से सख्त सजा मिले. और आज हर भारतवासी को गर्व है मोदी जी पर. विशेषकर हम सब मुंबईकर कृतज्ञ हैं मोदी जी के कि ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने हमारे देश के ऊपर हिंसक आक्रामक हमला किया था, उनको हम भारत के धरती पर भारत के कानून के अंतर्गत सजा दिलाएंगे.
अमित शाह जी तो ट्रम्पेट बजाने के माहिर हैं. ये लोग तो मैं तो ये भी तब कह सकता हूँ ना कि मेहुल चोकसी का भाग जाना, नीरव मोदी का भाग जाना, विजय माल्या का भाग जाना, ये सबसे बड़ा फेलियर है. अगर सफलता की क्रेडिट चाहते हैं तो असफलता के लिए भी कहिए ना कि वी फेल्ड. ये होना चाहिए ना. फिर मैं मणिपुर पर क्यों ना आपसे पूछूं कि व्हाई डिड यू फेल देयर. बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. एक विशाल हृदय से चीज़ों को देखना चाहिए और ऐसे उपलब्धियां तो हम पूछ लेंगे कि वाराणसी में क्या हुआ अभी बीते दिनों.